How to change language in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily change the language setting in Devil May Cry. So here is how you do it. Firstly, launch open the Devil May Cry game on your device. And once you do, from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you do that, it'll open the settings menu. From here, tap on language. Tap the drop down right next to language and select a different language option you want to change to. Soon after you do that, click on the check mark at the bottom right corner to save your changes. And you'll be able to change your language setting in the Devil May Cry game. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.